I'm going to be showing you how to make a summer corn salad. With summer cookouts right around the corner, it's so nice to have an easy crowd pleaser recipe up your sleeve. Today's corn salad recipe is just that. It can be made quickly and easily with either fresh or frozen corn and with just a handful of other ingredients that you might actually have growing out in your garden already. I'll be showing you how to make today's recipe using fresh corn. I recommend using a fresh sweet corn, but if you want to use frozen corn, you'll need about 4 to 5 cups, and I would let that thaw before beginning. For starters, let's grab our fresh corn. You'll want to remove the husk, and let's take this over to a large pot of boiling water. We'll add the corn to the boiling water and cook it for just 3 minutes. We'll remove the corn from the boiling water, place it in a large bowl, and we'll take this over to our sink. Now we'll rinse this immediately with cold water to stop the corn from cooking. Now that your corn has cooked and cooled, we'll use a large knife to cut the corn off the cob. You're going to want to cut as close to the cob as possible. Next, we'll add the tomatoes. We're going to use a pint of cherry or grape tomatoes, and I like to slice these in half before adding them to the bowl. Next is the avocado. We're going to want to dice this avocado, and the easiest way to do that I've found is to cut your avocado in half, and then use a small knife to score the avocado, and then use a large spoon to scoop out the avocado and add that to your bowl as well. Follow this with a 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion and 1 finely diced jalapeno. Make sure to remove the ribs and the seeds from the jalapeno. If you like a little extra heat in your corn salad, you can throw in a few seeds, but don't overdo it. We'll add a 1/3 cup of finely chopped cilantro, and set this aside, and now we'll make our dressing. Our corn salad dressing is really easy. We're going to start with 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Add 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar and 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lime juice. It doesn't have to be freshly squeezed, but I prefer mine that way. We'll add a teaspoon of granulated sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and just a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. We'll whisk these together until they're well combined and pour our dressing over our prepared corn salad. I like to use a spatula to toss everything together, and you really want to make sure that your corn salad ingredients are really well combined and that the dressing is evenly distributed. At this point, our corn salad is really ready to serve, but you can prepare it several hours or even a day in advance. Just make sure to store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator until you are ready to serve. This is such a nice, refreshing, perfect summer corn salad. I think you guys are really going to love this recipe, and I hope that you will try it out and let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.